Hey handsome peeps out there, this is Tasnim back again. So today I did this matte blue smoky eye. This is very dramatic and I feel like this is very appropriate for a nighttime Eid look. So if you guys want to try it out, you can definitely give this a shot. You do not have to use this particular color. You can go for a black or a brown depending on your dress's color. I'm doing this blue, and make sure to follow me on my Instagram and Facebook if you want to see all the updates and product reviews, and comment below if you ever did a smoky eye, and like this video if you like the eye look, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and comment below also your video idea, something that I should do. And now let's get started. So I'm starting off with my Jackelin Eyeliner Pencil. I'm going to at first apply a thin layer of it and then smudge it using my smudging brush. I'm very sorry I lost the clip of me applying the eyeliner, but basically you'll just apply it. You do not have to be even, and then smudge it using a smudging brush. So I'm here continuing to do it, and then since the intensity was lost, I again reapplied the kajal, and then I smudged it using my smudging brush. You need to continue doing that until you are satisfied with the intensity of the color. I applied the kajal 3 times. Make sure you are smudging within the eyelid. Do not go to your crease just yet. Now you guys can see that I'm using the same smudging brush and going above my eyelid to my crease. Make sure to be very slow and gentle with it. And now you can see I'm doing a slight angle with my brush and blending out the crease with the same brush. And I'm also dragging the color to my lower lash line. Now taking a bigger blending brush, I'm going to blend my crease and also the lower waterline as well as my eyelid. As I blended the color with the bigger blending brush, the intensity of the color went away, so I applied the kajal back again to my lash line and I smudged it using my smudging brush. So you want to keep repeating this process until you are satisfied with the pigment that is in your eyes. And then I'm dragging the color again to my lower waterline, and taking a smaller blending brush this time, I'm going to blend my crease to get more precise. And finally taking the bigger blending brush again, I'm going to blend my crease. Now taking my Colourpop Dream Street palette, I'm going to take the shade Water Bear. You do not have to use this particular shade. If you're achieving a black smoky eye, use a matte black instead. If you're doing a brown smoky eye, use a matte brown instead. And then you just simply pat the matte color over your eyelid. Do not cross your eyelid and go to your crease. I'm then dragging the same shade Water Bear to my lower waterline and then smudging it out so that it looks equally as good as my upper eyelid. Now taking the shade Kaleidoscope, this is a silvery shade. I'm going to highlight my inner corners. This is really going to pop them. I just accidentally applied way too much, so I just blended off the inner corners. Now taking my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, I'm going to apply a coat of it and then wear some false lashes off of camera. I'm then using that same silvery shade Kaleidoscope and highlighting my brow bone so that that place is also popped out and then the light reflects. So that is the finished eye look, and then it's time for some base makeup. I took my Maybelline Pore Eraser primer and applied it to my T-zone and blended it using my fingers. Then I took my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is in the shade 240 Golden Beige. I applied it using my beauty sponge. Since it's going to be so warm outside, it's better if you guys do not apply a concealer because it's going to cake up. Instead, I applied another layer of foundation under my eyes. In this way, I'll get more coverage. Then taking my W7 bronzer, I'm going to bronze to the hollows of my cheeks, my temples, and my jawline. I'm also bronzing my nose using a smaller blending brush. Now taking my sleek highlighter, I'm going to take that peachy highlight and then highlight above my cheeks, my nose area, and my cupid's bow. Then I took my Jordana liquid lipstick in the shade Tiramisu. This smells so good, you guys. I applied it to my lips. It is a pinkish color. It did go with my eye look, but I wanted something more nude, so I took my NYX liquid lipstick in the shade Soft Spoken. I applied it to the center of my lips and then blended it using my fingers. And then to lock all of that makeup in place, I applied my NYX Dewy setting spray and then dabbed it using a beauty blender so that the excess is taken away. So that is it for the makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button, then also the bell button so that you're always notified whenever I post videos. Till then, take care and I love you all. Toodles!